Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana Felicia, and also I want to say thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for liking and sharing my videos, also commenting. I'm so grateful for what you guys have been doing, and I don't know how I can repay this. Today is going to be a little bit exciting because we are not going to bake anything. We are going to prepare tamarind juice, Ukwaju. Yes, as the Swahili people call it, Ukwaju. As always, remember to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please go back and subscribe so that you can learn as I learn. Turn on the notification button so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. To make the tamarind juice, the Ukwaju juice, you will need the Ukwaju, the tamarind itself. So now we are just going to remove the covers. To prepare tamarind juice, you'll need the tamarind itself. So I've already peeled them from the pods. Then you'll need a 1/4 cup of sugar. You'll need the cardamon powder or Iliki, cardamon powder or Iliki in Swahili. Then 1 liter of water, boiled water. You can either use warm or cold, but to fasten the process, you use hot water. In our saucepan, we are just going to put the tamarind seeds, Iliki, the cardamom powder, sugar, and hot water or warm water. Then you just stir it for some time. Once everything is well mixed, you let it cool for 30 minutes. Then you put it in your desired bottle. Then you can serve it chilled with ice cubes, as I did.